Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Taskiller app, the updated version of the Taskiller app on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Options for apps to install other apps from unknown sources or install unknown applications. The second step is going to the unlinked application. And from the unlinked app, we'll be able to download and install that app. So we'll download and installing Taskiller application from unlinked. So first step first, we're going to go to quick settings, all settings, navigate down to system, and then about. So under about, we'll move to the bottom, second to the last on the bottom, and click on it 7 times. So this is a build number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And after 7 attempts, clicking a number, you are now a developer. This means you can allow an app to be installed from an unknown source. From there, I'm going to move out back to the dashboard. So from the dashboard, I'll navigate over to Unlinked and click on it to launch. If you do not have the app already, check the link in the description for a tutorial that will show you how to get the app. And when you click on that, you come over to the Unlinked app. If it's your first time, add a library. The library you're using is everything. So EVERYTHING. All capital letters, no space. That's the library. And the 10th option under the library, scrolling down, is this tools. So you find this tools section here and scroll over to the right of this and you find the Taskiller application. So click on the application once and click on the download button to download it. As you can see, I've already downloaded the app, so I can just click on it once to bring this installation setup up. So now that I have the installation button present, I could just click on install app and I have this install button here. In your case, if this is your first time, you may find a message saying unknown sources or unknown app or install from unknown source or grant permission or give unlinked permission. So all that means the same thing. You need to just go down that list, toggle on unlink, giving unlink the permission to install an application from unknown sources, and you can do that now since you're a developer. So when you do that, click on install like I've just done, and you find that app ready to access in your app library. So give it a second to kick in and enjoy the application you have downloaded and installed. So basically that's it for this tutorial. If you found it insightful, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.